Right, I'm going to show you how to lead weld just using lead based solder. It's much easier. All you do is clean the lead up. I use a wire brush and a drill. It's old lead, this is very dirty. You look at that kind of weld you get. It's watertight. I've done repairs on my own roof using this. And it's never leaked in years. All you do is clean it up, the metal. Clean the metal both sides to make it much better, so then solder this with a tight stick rather than stuck in all dirt. It's not with cleanness, but it should be alright. Soldering iron's not the best. Heat the metal up a bit. With this, instead of heating the metal then the solder, you best to melt the solder onto it and push it in like that. And hold it on afterwards and heat both up together. Otherwise you could just accidentally overheat the lead and the whole thing just like turn to liquid. And you have a big hole in it then. So when it's like this, when it starts running like that, I do it a few more seconds. But when it's running, it means it's going in between the gap between the two metals. Just go over it again. And it starts moving like that. It's a nice smooth weld. Looks a bit messy at the minute. Once I've melted it all in, it blends nice. The hump here will go down, one bit smooth out. haven't cleaned the corner very good so it's not sticking there. Find it quick. Well, the solder I used got flux in it, and it makes it actually easier. Use it without flux, it's not so easy. On the inside, you see it solder all the way through. I can even solder on the inside again, but don't need to. It's got a nice strong weld. This is what I did earlier. Again on the inside. This is what I just done. It's got a good strong weld. I could put end caps on this and fill it with water, it'll never leak. So that's all. Thanks for watching.